So hello everyone. Andito po tayo sa pin post ng SMCDO po. So diyan po sa taas nakalagay po yung mga details at yung link po like design online at download our brochures. So pag i-click natin yung baba, so andito po yung promo namin like buy 2 get 1 free na pillow for 300 each. Next po is yung couple shirt na any design of pre-printed acrylic for only 399 po. And lastly is yung customized white mug for as low as 75 pesos. So pag i-click po natin yung picture, so mapapansin nyo po sa baba, nilagyan po namin ng exclusive only at Transfer It at saka yung logo po ng mall, SMCDO Downtown Premier. At pag i-click naman po natin yung See More na makikita sa baba, andito po yung mga details ng ating promo po. So, exclusive at Transfer It, free layout, same day delivery, at saka yung phone number po ng store namin at yung location ng store po. So, yan lang po at maraming salamat.